not done coloring.
What?
I'm gonna continue.
I know you play anymore. I don't want to first not yours.
Okay.
I want to mean color.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Ha?
Mamaya na tayo naligo pa. Wala kasi sa punta naligo.
Isn't she lovely?
Ngayon tayo, Alex. Mamaya na lang naligo.
Okay.
Ngayon na tayo, Alex. Mamaya na lang tayo naligo.
Isn't she
I'm done.
Isn't she precious?
It's for babies.
It's for
Ay! You just showed your feet.
Huh?
No, it's mama.
Ay, sorry. Yeah. I want to have mine. What should
And then I'm gonna watch this one.
I like it.
Me. Yeah, what do you think? So
Ate,
top.
ano mo picture
His ears
mo?
look so
Ate,
top. Oh,
ano picture mo, ate?
this is not picture.
Is this your drawing homework mo?
He looks so. His ears look so choppy.
Kanta.
Nah. Okay. Now time to cut. But I'm not gonna follow the outlines though. Wait, I forgot to color the bowl. There. There's a second bowl right here. Because I'm gonna put it right here. Isn't she lovely? The video's gonna end later.
Ay, dami.
Isn't she lovely?
Ma! Ikaw na lang pumunta ng ano, ma?